For this DIY, you're going to need a coconut. So the first thing I did was get rid of the outer husk bits using a sandpaper. If you don't have a sandpaper, then you can also use a peeler or a scraper to get rid of the husk. You should end up with a smooth finish like this. Next, take a sketch pen or Sharpie and draw a circle on the top. I used a hacksaw to cut the coconut. A drum reel would work too, and if that's what you have, then you can use that. Once the top is cut, just use a hand scraper to scrape out all the coconut flesh. You should end up with a clean and smooth interior. For this next part, I have some water in a cup and I added some white liquid glue to it. Stir it well to make sure that there are no glue lumps. I pre-cut some newspaper strips and all I did was dunk them into the water glue mixture and then apply it to the coconut shell. Meanwhile, just a gentle reminder to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. After you're done applying the strips, let it completely dry. Next, I rolled out some air dry clay and applied it on the coconut shell as shown. I blended out the sides to make it look seamless. I repeated the same step 5 more times and this is what it looked like. Next, I rolled out some air dry clay and used a leaf cutter to make the calyx. I cut double the amount of leaves required because I will be using them on the inside as well as the outside. You'll see what I mean in just a few seconds. To add the leaves to the shell, just blend out the bottom part of the leaf and also add another leaf on the inside and do the same. After it's completely dry, start painting. At the end, I added a layer of Mod Podge to give it a glossy ceramic finish.